This tutorial shows you how to save your slides at 300 dpi without losing quality. First, click the Start button. Type Registry Editor and open it. After that, navigate to HKey Current User, then Software, then Microsoft, then Office, then your PowerPoint version number, then PowerPoint, then Options. From there, right-click in the empty space on the right. At this point, click New, then click DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Export Bitmap Resolution. In the next step, double-click the new value. Following this, change the base to decimal. Once done, type 300 in the value data field, then click OK. From here, close Registry Editor and open PowerPoint. At this stage, open the presentation with the slide you want to export. Click the slide, then click File, then Export. Keep in mind, this registry change applies to all future image exports, so every slide you export afterward will use 300 dpi automatically. Finally, click Change File Type, select JPEG or PNG, click Save As, and choose just this one when prompted. And that's it. If this guide helped you export high-resolution images from PowerPoint, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.